Hi, I'm Mika.
This is Sourcing Yuan. Today we will evaluate iFLYTEK's 4.0 version translator. Let's unlock it. On the home page, click the voice button to speak and translate. The red one is your language, the blue one is other person's language. You can select your language. And let's have a try. Hello.
你好。
附近哪里有特色餐厅
Where can I find a restaurant with local specialties nearby?
It supports online translation in 83 languages and offline translation in 16 languages. The actual translation speed is less than half a second, and the accuracy is very high, even able to recognize some cultural vocabulary. The option below allows you to switch buttons application scenario. You can see they have a medical translator, financial translator, computer translator, supporting terminology translation for various industries, with a unique industry terminology library. The accuracy of translation for specific scenarios such as medical and financial can be improved by 50%, making it a must-have for business professionals. And if you have a long conversation, you can choose the face-to-face translation mode. Both parties will use half of the screen each. You can also enable the automatic detection of speakers function. Right there, automatic detection of speakers. And the translator will automatically determine the speaker's direction and adapt to the communication rhythm. And you can set the waiting time after speaking. Okay. 你好
Hello.
You're welcome.
不客气。
At the same time, it also has photo translation and OCR recognition. Okay. Or you can also use the sweep mode. You can sweep to select certain area during filming for translation. Like this. Whether it's a menu or a road sign, it's easy to understand with just a scan. Overall, iFLYTEK's translator is very user-friendly, with fast translation and the ability to adapt to various scenarios. And that's all for today's test. Thanks for watching. Please give me a subscribe and like. Thank you.